We look at the night sky and see peace. Stars glimmer softly, galaxies drift like islands of light, and silence stretches forever. But the truth is far from peaceful. The universe is not a calm sea, it's a cosmic battlefield of unimaginable violence. Everywhere out there, nature hides monsters, silent, invisible, unstoppable. These are the 11 most dangerous things in the universe. Among all the icy travelers that cross our skies, one stands above them all. Comet Swift-Tuttle. A 26-kilometer chunk of rock and ice moving at 60 kilometers per second. The largest and fastest object known to cross Earth's orbit. If it ever hit us, the impact would release the energy of 27 dinosaur-killing apocalypses. Fortunately, its orbit is tracked precisely by NASA. It will return in the year 2126, and for now, we're safe. But cosmic safety is always temporary. At the center of our galaxy, hidden behind clouds of dust, lies Sagittarius, a star, a gravitational monster with the mass of 4 million suns. Anything that comes close, stars, planets, entire solar systems, is torn into thin streams of plasma. Astronomers call it spaghettification. Time itself slows to a crawl near its edge. Step too close, and in less than a millisecond, even atoms cease to exist. When massive stars die, they don't go quietly. They explode in hypernovas, releasing more energy than 100 suns. Sometimes their death beams, gamma-ray bursts, sweep across galaxies, sterilizing everything in their path. One nearby candidate, Betelgeuse, could explode any time within the next century. When it does, it will shine brighter than the full moon. Beautiful, terrifying. Now imagine a city-sized sphere, only 20 kilometers across, spinning dozens of times per second, with a magnetic field so strong it could erase every credit card on Earth from halfway across the moon. That's a Magnetar, the most magnetic object in the universe. In 2004, one such star, SGR 180620, unleashed a burst so powerful it briefly altered Earth's upper atmosphere from 50,000 light-years away. If one went off closer, it would shred DNA, vaporize electronics, and blind satellites instantly. Now look farther, billions of light-years away. You'll see cosmic lighthouses blazing with the power of entire galaxies. Quasars. They are supermassive black holes feeding on gas and stars at a rate of 1,000 suns per year. The brightest, 3C273, outshines its whole galaxy and is visible through a small telescope, despite being 2.5 billion light-years away. Stand anywhere near a quasar, and radiation alone would strip your atoms apart. They are the universe's most glorious engines of destruction. Even more violent are the gamma-ray bursts, cosmic death rays created when neutron stars collide. In just seconds, they release more energy than our sun will emit in its entire lifetime. If such a burst happened within 10,000 light-years, Earth's atmosphere could be scorched away, and life would vanish before anyone even looked up. One such event, GRB080319b, was so bright that it was visible to the naked eye from halfway across the observable universe. Now, imagine the silence between the stars, and drifting through it, cold and alone, are billions of rogue planets, worlds without suns. Thrown out of their birth systems by gravitational chaos, they wander eternally through the dark. Some are as massive as Jupiter. If one passed near our solar system, it could tug Earth's orbit, steal the moon, or freeze our world forever in interstellar night. No warning, no escape, just shadows. Closer to home, thousands of smaller killers wait. NASA calls them potentially hazardous asteroids. Objects larger than 140 meters that come within 7.5 million kilometers of Earth's orbit. One of the most famous, 1950 DA, is 1.3 kilometers wide. If it ever hit, it would release the power of 80,000 Hiroshima bombs. Its chance of impact in the year 2880 is tiny, but not zero. And there are over 30,000 such objects being tracked right now. Sometimes, danger comes from beyond the solar system itself. In 2017, astronomers spotted something they'd never seen before. A cigar-shaped object racing through space at 26 kilometers per second. They called it Oumuamua, a messenger from afar arriving first. 2 years later came Comet Borisov, the second interstellar visitor. A true comet from another star, carrying alien ice and dust. And now, in 2025, a third traveler has arrived, 3I Atlas. It moves through the solar system on a steep hyperbolic path, a frozen relic from another world, older than our sun itself. No one knows what these objects really are. Shattered fragments, lost messengers, or something stranger. But each one reminds us that the galaxy isn't empty, and the next visitor could already be on its way. Imagine a city of death, spinning hundreds of times per second, shooting beams of radiation so intense they can tear molecules apart. These are pulsars, the remnants of collapsed stars. So dense a teaspoon of their matter weighs 1 billion tons. The fastest known spins 716 times per second, a cosmic lighthouse that flashes death instead of light. For life anywhere near it, there's no tomorrow. But the most dangerous thing of all isn't an object. It's something we can't even see. Dark energy, the mysterious force that makes the universe expand, faster and faster. One day, it may tear apart galaxies, stars, planets, even atoms themselves. Physicists call this final scenario the Big Rip. In roughly 22 billion years, everything, every atom, every photon, even space-time, could be stretched beyond existence. The universe will end, not with a bang, but with a quiet unraveling into absolute nothingness. The universe is a masterpiece of beauty and destruction. Every danger we've seen tonight is a reminder of one simple truth. We live in a fragile corner of space, protected only by luck and distance. But maybe that's what makes existence so precious. Because in a universe built on chaos, life dares to exist and to look up and wonder.